Hey guys, I hope everybody is taking care and being blessed, especially with all this pandemic going on. I hope everybody is keeping their head up. I am actually about to get in my happy place. This is one of my happy places. I am about to actually spruce up my little garden. I already planted I planted this one and I planted this one. Oh, I love this one. I planted it about 2 weeks ago. I had to replace the annuals that I had. I decided, guys, I'm not going to be putting any flowers down, y'all. I love flowers. But for some reason, me and flowers just don't get along. Like, I cannot make flowers like if I buy some roses, I can make them last for like forever if I buy carnations. But when it comes to plants, being planted as a flower, with flowers in it, it never lasts. So I just got me some beautiful plants. This is one of them. I've been having that for a little bit, all the rest of them for a little bit. Those were the only two that I planted, and I love this one. This is one that I planted too. This is another one. She just growing just gorgeous. I pulled a whole bunch of leaves off of her because she was looking a little yellow. Because I made a mistake when I put some fertilizer down for her. I put it on her leaves. This plant right here is a gosh, I can't believe I forgot what it's called. I can't believe I forgot what it's called. But anyway, this plant right here, you can't be putting water and stuff on its leaves. It don't really like that at all. This is actually a plant, guys, that they used to use. I looked it up back in the day for like toilet paper and different things like that, y'all. So when we got low on toilet paper, I know it's crazy. You can actually use these because these leaves are so soft. And I can't believe I forgot what the name of it is. I know you guys will put it in the comments below. So go ahead and do that. I have some bushes, and these bushes was doing really bad when I first moved in. Right now they're doing gorgeous. I am going to prune them. I'm going to get my yard. I'm going to pull all the weeds. The best thing to do, y'all, to be honest with you, is go in and just pull the weeds. Like, I thought maybe you can use a weed killer, but you want to be careful with that because you don't want to have your plants, mess up your plants. So I don't even do that. I'm just going to go in, pull those weeds. I'm also going to show you guys my other project that I'm going to start working on. Okay, guys, so now this is another project. I already started on it. This actually was a tree. We had to wind up pulling a tree because it wound up dying. So we had like a nice circle. So what I decided to do is put the bricks down. I actually planted the cactus, and I have some more different cactus little things that I have. I also have some lavender. And the reason why I put a cactus here, y'all, because when I say the sun beam right here, you always want to make sure when you planting the plant, you don't you looking at if it's too much sun, if it's not enough sun, because plants go by certain things. You don't want to put a plant that don't supposed to have a lot of sun directly in the sun. But I made sure I looked these up. The only one I didn't look up, y'all, is the lavender. Hopefully that will be okay in there. If not, we'll see from there. But I'm going to go ahead and add these. Once I get done adding my plants, y'all, I'm also going to add some mulch, like y'all seen inside of the garden bed. I'm also going to go in and take these rocks up because, like I said, guys, I actually made this more smaller. This was a huge area. Another thing is that what made our plant get messed up, our tree die, is there's a AT&T box right here, which was open for a long time. And I really believe the roots got exposed, which I was glad that happened because I found out that my water main was really close to the tree. So thank God, because if that did not happen, you know how trees grow big over time, it could have messed up my water main. So what I decided I'm going to do is just put plants like every couple days. I'm just gonna add some plants to it. Stick with plants that can have high sunlight. And I'm gonna make this real pretty, y'all. Right now I know it look crazy. Y'all probably like, oh my God, it even looked worse at first before I put the bricks down. Y'all see the bricks? And one thing too, y'all, want to tell y'all, when y'all buying bricks, make sure you buy the bricks in the inside. Like because this is what happened. I went to Lowe's and purchased these bricks, but all these bricks was on the outside of the store. And with these being on the outside of the store, they was in a big package, They probably just got shit made about a week ago, I think he told me. The water and the water and everything from outside made these turn white. And I should have taken these back, but I didn't. You know how I am. It just something, I forgot what you call it, but it's something that goes with the bricks and water. It didn't mix. So now these go be white. And y'all know I'm be thinking about that like all the time, because if you understand what I'm saying, they really supposed to just be a darkish color. But it's okay. Maybe eventually I might, because I was finna return all of them, but I got lazy and just put them down. One day I just was like, you know what? I'm sick of looking at that, and I just put them down. But that's going to irk me. So if you guys know of anything to make bricks come back, because like I said, these was just put down maybe a week ago, but they look like they was sitting for months because of the condensation. It's a term for it, but I don't know what it is when, again, water meets bricks and the moisture. What I'm also going to do, guys, I'm going to go in, like I told you, I have made this smaller because it was huge. Now I have patches of just like dirt and stuff. I'm going to go in and we're going to lay seed down. So we're going to have grass. It's going to be gorgeous grass. I made a mistake and put the wrong grass down. But when I say that grass is gorgeous that I put down, but it grows too much and it's not for Georgia. One thing that you want to make sure, you guys, I got to tell you, make sure if you put any grass down, you make sure it's the grass that's for the state. I wound up getting it from Big Lots, and it was like for Kentucky and some other stuff, but it was gorgeous grass. It grew beautiful, but it just grew too fast with the other grass that I have, because I have Bermuda grass. So what I had to do is I had to go and kill off a lot of the grass, and we need to cut the grass too over here, but we had to go and kill off all that grass, because when I say, guys, it grows in like 2 days and the other grass grow in like 2 weeks. So there we go with that. But we about to get this together. So I just wanted to show you guys how it's looking. I'm going to try to hurry up too, because we got rain this whole week and it's raining now. I'm going to try to hurry up, y'all. Bye.
With energy saving tips and programs from Georgia Power, you can save money and make your home more efficient. Learn more at Georgia.
Okay, y'all, I am done. So here we go. I put some more mulch down. And like I told you, I did a little brick layering last year. Put the mulch down, water the plants. They like, thank you for watering us. Okay, so let me show you the other part. Okay, so here is my DIY. Again, I put the bricks down, put the mulch down, put the plants down. And like I told you, I needed something that the sun can withdo. And we'll see how it goes, because I get a lot of sun right here. What y'all think? I put some mulch down, plants, and there we go. Okay, guys, let me know what you think.